If you need money right now, the internet is a dangerous place to be desperate because everybody has a side hustle, everybody has a course, everybody's making $100,000 a month, and somehow nobody can clearly explain what actually pays, what takes forever, and what's giving scam likely. So let's get into it. If I needed to make money now, I'm not going to ask AI, how do I make money online? That question is too broad. I would ask AI, what skills do I already have? What problems can I solve this week? And how can I package that into something people can pay for? That is a difference because AI is not the money. Your skill is the money. Your experience is the money. Your ability to solve a problem is the money. AI is the assistant that helps you package it, pitch it, publish it, and sell it faster. And yes, I use AI every day. Since I started using AI seriously, it has helped me land a six-figure HR role, create content faster, build digital products, pitch opportunities, and generate over $5,000 a month through my career and creator business. But AI did not magically print money for me. AI made me faster. And when you need money, faster matters. And let me say this before the AI gurus start levitating in the comments. AI will not save you if you have no skill, no offer, no direction, and no plan. But if you already know how to do something useful, AI can help you turn that skill into a money path faster. That's what most people are missing. They're using AI to write cute captions, which is fine, but if the bills are due, cute captions are not the priority. The priority is, what can I sell? Who needs this? How do I explain it? How do I get it in front of them? And how do I stop overthinking long enough to send the darn pitch? That's where AI becomes useful. So here are 5 ways I would use AI to make money faster. First, I would use AI to turn my existing skills into a paid offer. Not a dream, not a vibe, an offer. Again, this is where people mess up. They say, I need to make money online. Okay, beloved, doing what? Because online is not a business model. That's a location. You still need to solve a problem. So instead of asking AI, what side hustle should I start? Ask this. Based on my work experience, what services could I offer this week that people or small businesses might pay for? Then feed it your background. HR, admin, customer service, operations, marketing, teaching, finance, healthcare, project management, content creation, whatever you've done. AI can help you find the money inside your experience. For example, if you've worked in HR, you could offer resume reviews, interview prep, job description rewrites, onboarding cleanup, or small business HR support. If you worked in admin, you can offer inbox cleanup, Google Drive organization, scheduling help, SOPs, or even client onboarding support. If you create content, you can offer captions, Canva graphics, email newsletters, short form scripts, or content repurposing. This is where AI helps. It can name the offer, write the service description, create a pitch, build a checklist, write the follow-up, and make you sound like a professional instead of someone typing, hey, so I'm broke, but I have vibes and availability. We are not selling panic, we are selling a solution. And specific gets paid. Saying, I can help with anything will likely get ignored. Saying, I help job seekers clean up their LinkedIn profiles in 48 hours, that's clear. Saying, I help small business owners create onboarding checklists for new hires is clear. Saying, I help creators turn one video into captions, emails, and short form posts is clear. That is how you use AI. Not to become a robot, but to stop sounding vague. Second, I would use AI to build a simple digital product. But let's be clear, digital products are not magic. A PDF will not pay your bills just because you uploaded it and pitched it to a few people. The product has to solve a real problem. And again, that's the part that people skip. They will tell you to sell a template online, but a template for what? Who needs it? What problem does it solve? Why would someone pay instead of making it themselves? AI can help you answer those questions too. This is how I used it for Built by Nell. I use AI to help me outline guides, organize checklists, structure resources, write product descriptions, brainstorm bonuses, and turn my HR knowledge into something people can actually use. But my experience is what makes the product valuable. AI just helps me move faster. AI helps me get from, I have an idea, to this can become a product, a blog post, a sales page, and a pin. That's the money move. And this is where creators are leaving cash on the table. People are posting every day, but where is the money path? Where is the product? Where is the service? Where is the email list? Where is the next step? Views are cute, followers are cute, but if there is nothing for people to buy, book, download, or join, you are building attention and hoping money appears later. That is not a business. That is a wish with a posting schedule. Third, I use AI to repurpose content. And this is where AI becomes my little unpaid staff. Because one idea should not die as one post. One video can become a YouTube description, a blog post, a Pinterest pin, an email newsletter, a short form caption, a community post, a product call to action, a pinned comment, a whole traffic path. That is how you create faster without burning yourself out. Because posting every day with no strategy is exhausting. And honestly, some of y'all are creating like unpaid interns for your own brand. Working hard, showing up, doing the most, but the content is not leading anywhere. AI helps me ask better questions. What is the point of this video? What product does this connect to? What does the viewer need next? What should the pinned comment ask? What should the blog post target? What should the email say? Where does the money happen? That last question matters. Again, where does the money happen? Because if the answer is, I don't know, hopefully one day, we have a problem. Content should build trust, yes, but it should also lead people somewhere. Otherwise, you're just performing consistency for free. Fourth, I use AI to pitch. Because content alone is not enough. Hope is not a sales strategy. Posting and praying is not a funnel. And maybe they'll notice me is not a business plan. If you need money, you need to ask. You need to pitch, you need to follow up, and you need to make the offer clear. AI can help you write brand pitch emails, UGC pitches, consulting messages, LinkedIn outreach, freelance proposals, service descriptions, sales captions. And this matters because a lot of people are not broke because they have no skills. They're broke because they don't know how to package that skill and put it in front of someone who can pay. That part is uncomfortable, I know, but closed mouths don't get paid invoices. AI helps me stop writing the same sentence for 3 business days. It helps me move. It helps me send the email. It helps me follow up without sounding like I'm begging from outside the club. And sometimes the difference between no money and potential money is one clear message. Not another idea, not another logo, not another Canva template. One clear offer sent to the right person. Fifth, I use AI to organize the money plan. Because before you chase every side hustle on the internet, you need to know your number. How much money do you actually need this month? What bills can be cut? How long is your runway? What income gap are you trying to close? Because needing $300 and needing $3,000 are not the same problem. If you need $300, maybe paid research, user testing, selling something, or a quick service can help. If you need $3,000, you probably need a stronger offer. Contract work, freelance clients, consulting, job search income, or a combination of everything. And this is why I created the Laid Off Money Survival Kit on builtbynell.com. Even if you're not laid off, it helps you organize your bills, calculate your runway, and make decisions from numbers instead of panic. Panic will have you start dropshipping at midnight. Panic will have you buying a course from a man standing in front of a car he does not own. Panic will have you downloading 6 apps, starting 4 side hustles, and still not knowing if rent is covered. We are not doing that. Before you chase money, know the number. It is not sexy, but neither are overdraft fees. So here we are. Here's what I would be careful with if I needed money fast. I would not depend on faceless YouTube channels if I needed immediate cash. I would not expect AI blogs to pay me next week. I would not jump into dropshipping because somebody in a hoodie said it changed their life. I would not buy expensive courses before making my first dollar. And I would not trust any AI makes you passive income while you sleep advice unless they can clearly explain the work, the traffic, the offer, the cost, and the timeline. Because that's where people are easy to market to. And I refuse to build this brand by selling people a fantasy. AI can help, AI can speed things up. AI can give you structure. AI can help you create, pitch, package, and organize. But AI will not save a bad strategy. That is the truth. So here's the real takeaway. AI is not the business. AI is the staff. You are the CEO. Your skills are the product. Your offer is the bridge. Your content is the marketing. Your pitch is the ask. Your website, product, service, or email list is where the money path starts to become real. That is how I use AI. Not as a magic money machine, as my little digital team that helps me move faster, think clearer, and build like I have help, even when it's really just me, my laptop, a prayer, and decent Wi-Fi. If your money is tight and you need to stop guessing, start with the resources on builtbynell.com. And if you want me to break down exactly how I use AI to build products, create content, pitch brands, or turn skills into offers, comment AI systems below, because I can make this a whole series. And honestly, we probably need it, because it is too expensive outside to be playing with our potential.